Dr. Paul, I'm concerned about Mr. Lopez's recent decline in health. He's been experiencing increased fatigue, confusion, and loss of appetite.
That's concerning, Mihira. Have you noticed any other changes in his behavior or symptoms?
He seems to be losing weight, and he's not as active as he used to be. He's also been having trouble sleeping.
It's possible that these symptoms are related to an underlying medical condition. We'll need to conduct a thorough assessment to determine the cause.
I've already scheduled an appointment with a specialist. In the meantime, should I monitor his condition closely and report any changes?
Yes, Mihira, please keep a close eye on him and document any new symptoms. If his condition deteriorates, don't hesitate to contact me or the hospital. Mihira, thank you for sharing your experience. It takes courage to discuss this, and I want you to know that what you're describing is very real and manageable. The intense fear and physical symptoms, racing heart, dizziness, shortness of breath, are hallmarks of panic attacks, and it's completely understandable to feel distressed about them recurring. You are not alone. I encourage you to build a strong support system. Reaching out to university counselors or student support services can provide a safe space to explore your anxiety and develop personalized strategies. Leaning on trusted friends and family can also offer emotional comfort and reassurance. Additionally, practices like mindfulness and meditation can help calm your nervous system by creating space between panic and your response. Even a few minutes daily can make a difference. Spending time in nature, like a walk in a park, can also ground you and ease anxiety. Healing is a journey. Be patient with yourself. With consistent support and practice, you can reduce these attacks' intensity and frequency and regain a sense of calm and control. You've already taken the most important step by seeking understanding.